Representative Speaker Martin Romualdez. Sana daw madagdagan yung budget ng Department. Ever supportive First Lady, Ma'am Lisa Araneta Marcos. Isa rin po siyang guro ng abogasya sa West Visayas State University. Yan. Isa siya sa mga pinaparangalan namin. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. At sa ating napakagaling na political leader, ang Speaker ng House of Representatives, Speaker Martin Romualdez. Sana daw madagdagan yung budget ng Department of Education, Mr. Speaker. Thank you. Nangako na po si Speaker at ang Chairman ng Appropriations. At andito rin po ang ating Chairman ng Basic Education, Congressman Roman Romulo, at ang ating mga kinatawan ng QC, and of course to our host Mayor, Mayor Joy, and the Metro Manila Mayors, to our DepEd Execom, to our RDs, Regional Directors, our host RD, Ma'am Joyce of NCR, good work. Sa lahat po ng teachers from all of